The adjective/noun 利口 is used to praise kids or pets. We also say it when someone acts skillfully or speaks well. 利口は子供やペットを褒めるときに使います。人の行動や話し方がうまいと感じたときにも言います。The word 利口 means clever or quick thinking. It can also feel shrewd, and for kids or pets, it can mean obedient or well-behaved. 頭がいい、考えが早いという意味です。時々、要領が良いや言うことをよく聞くの漢字もあります。The first kanji means benefit or advantage. It suggests usefulness and profit. You see it in words like 利益 and 利用. Think of something helpful or favorable. The second kanji means mouth or opening. It relates to speaking, entrances, and openings. You see it in words like 入り口 and 口調. Picture a mouth or a doorway. The child is very clever. その子はとても利口だ。その子はとても利口だ。You are really clever. あなたは本当に利口ですね。あなたは本当に利口ですね。My dog is smart at waiting. うちの犬は利口に待てます。うちの犬は利口に待てます。She answered cleverly. 彼女は利口に答えました。彼女は利口に答えました。The most common synonyms of the word are 賢い and 聡明. 賢い is everyday and can mean wise or prudent. 聡明 is more formal and praises clear intelligence. 利口 can also hint at being obedient or a bit shrewd. The most common antonym of the word is バカ. It points to foolish or silly behavior, the opposite of being smart or well-behaved, like 利口.